Good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about complex numbers. So actually these complex numbers we have in intermediate second year until we'll discuss some basics on complex numbers. Okay. See, complex numbers is developed by iota I. Okay. See, after invention of iota, so number system, real number system extended to complex numbers. Clear? See here, this I is nothing but root over minus 1 or I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, I is equal to root minus 1, remember, or I square is equal to minus 1. So how to find the value of I power n where n belongs to natural numbers? Okay, how to finding the value of I power n where n belongs to natural number. See here, just I am giving the one clarity based on this one before explain. Here n is any number. Okay, just generalize this one. We have I power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 only. I power 1 is I only. I square, that is minus 1. I cube is nothing but I square into I. I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into I, that is minus I. Next, I power 4. I power 4 value is I square into I square, you can write. I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. That means it is continuing. Again, if you go for I power 5, I power 5 is nothing but I power 4 into I. I power 4 into I, that is I power 4 value 1 into I only. Next, I power 6, I power 4 into I square. So I power 4 value 1, I square value minus 1, so this value is minus 1. Next, I power 7, I power 7 is I power 4 into I cube. That is nothing but I power 4 1, I cube is minus I. So that is nothing but 1 into minus I minus I. Next, you go for I power 8. I power 8 is nothing but I power 4 into I power 4. This is 1 into 1 1. If you observe this one, see 1i minus 1 minus I, continuation. 1i minus 1 minus I, continuation. If you continue like that and so on, if you go for any number, so you will get 1, after that I next minus I, next 1 I minus 1 minus I, you are getting continuation. So it is a cyclic order. Yes, the cyclic order is 4. After 4 powers, again you are getting same values if you continue like that. Okay, so that's why if you want to find out the value of I power n, see, just you divide whatever may be in the place of n, just divide with n divided by 4. N divided by 4. If you get a remainder is 0, when the n is whatever maybe you take the power, that power is divided by 4. If remainder is 0, you take the value 1. If remainder is 1, you take the value I. If remainder is that is 2, you take minus 1. If remainder is 3, you get a minus I. You never get remainder 4 because when you divide with 4, remainder may be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's why I give one table for this one. So divided n divided by 4. See, remainder. This is the value you take. If remainder is 0, take 1. The value of I power n is 1. If remainder is 1, then the value of I power n is I. If remainder is 2, then it gives minus 1. If remainder is 3, then it gives the value minus I. And you observe one more thing, very important. Sum of any 4 consecutive numbers you take, you can start at anywhere, no problem. Here only we can observe. See, 1 plus I plus minus 1 minus I. See here, sum of any 4. 1 plus, if you start from here only onwards, 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. 1 minus 1, I minus I cancel. Otherwise, if you start from here, I square, no problem. Any 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I square value minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 1, I power 5 I. So this value also 0. That means, so you can conclude one thing based on this one. For all n belongs to n, I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3, this value becomes to 0. These are the 4 consecutive powers. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So I power n, if you take n is equal to 0. So 0, this value is I power 1 I, this value is I square minus 1, this is I cube minus I. So you get 1 plus I minus 1 minus I, this value is 0. Or if you take n is equal to 5, you start from 5, I power 5 plus I power 6 plus I power 7 plus I power 8. I power 5 value is I power 6 is minus 1, I power 7 is minus I power 8 is 1. So I minus 1 plus 1, this value becomes to 0. Okay, clear? So this is the very important property. Note, this is where n belongs to any natural number you take. So based on this one, you will see some problems.